In this video, we will show you how to use Cocreator AI to generate image powered by AI. Today, I am very happy. As you know, in the previous tutorial, I already showed you how to join whitelist on Cocreator features using MS Paint. And today, I am emailed by Microsoft and my whitelist has been approved. So in this video I can show you how the co-creators look like. Okay, let's open MS Paint and we will show you how the co-creator features look like. In the newest MS Paint you will have the new features, the co-creator. Okay, if you don't have this menu or features, you can update your MS Paint on Microsoft Store to the latest version. And this is the co-creators menu looks like when you approved by Microsoft to using the co-creator. If you the first time update your MS Paint, it appear only join whitelist button, and I approved by Microsoft with 50 credit in here, and I just spend one. And this is base AI. I already said you can type the comment here, and first before you type a comment, it's better you choose a style. For example, there is some category like oil painting, anime, pixel art, or digital art, and you can see the fits for you in here. I will choose anime for this tutorial, and we can try using the default comment on the co-creator, like try a cat walking in the woods. Okay, I will a cat walking, not woods. I will try to in the grass like this, and after that we can click create in here. If you don't have the co-creator menu, once again you can update on your Microsoft Store into the latest version. The layers and the co-creators is the new features from MS Paint. Okay, wow, this is beautiful. We can make this bigger when using layer like this, and we can add new layer. I will hide this and make my layer is bigger. Okay, you can see here, so we can make our image is bigger like this. Okay, we can select one by one to see where is the best for our. Okay, wow, it's very beautiful. The co-creator on MS Paint generate the beautiful image like this. And in here I want to a dragon flying on the sky with fire. Let's see how this command works. Let's click create in here. Okay, after you select style and put the command, the last is you need to click create button, and the co-creator will generate image using AI for you. And using your style, this is with the command cat walking in the grass. It's beautiful image. You can using another selection in here. If you already active in here but you want to move on this image, you can using the selection using rectangle, for example, like this and like this, but you crop in here. And I suggest you to add new layer for every image so you don't lose the all of this picture. And this is the dragon. Okay, I will Control plus Z in here, and this is the dragon. I will hit 3 layer so I don't lose the picture and I will hide this. And wow, wow, you can see here I will, wow, it's very good for the pictures. Oh my god, wow, I think the MS Paint will viral because you can see here it can generate image with very beautiful. Wow, amazing. Okay, and I think it's enough how the co-creator works and look likes. But in here, let using another pixel art. Okay, I will hide this using another pixel art. Okay, in here I'm using style pixel art. Let's see a dragon flying on the sky with fire. Let's see how the co-creator generate using another style. Okay, wow, it's just magic. I think we can generate beautiful image using AI and using programs default on Windows 11 23H2, and the image is, wow, is precise in here. And we need to wait for another style, and I promise this is the last. You can try the co-creator for yourself. Wow, wow, it's very good based on pixel art look likes. Okay, and I think it's enough. I'm very excited here, and co-creator will viral, and it's very beautiful. Thank you, Microsoft, for you doing great works. Hope this video helpful for you.